Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the dreaded FE error code on your LG washer in 2025, you're in the right place. This code typically pops up when there's an issue with the water level or flow in your machine, which can be frustrating, but it's often an easy fix. I'm here to break it all down for you step by step, so you can get your washer back up and running in no time. First off, let's talk about what the FE code means. In LG washers, FE stands for a potential water level error or overflow problem. This could be triggered by a faulty water level sensor, a clogged inlet filter, or even a kinked water hose. It's your washer's way of saying, hey, something's not right with the water flow. Don't panic. Most of these issues are straightforward to troubleshoot at home. To start, make sure your washer is unplugged for safety. Check the inlet hoses for any kinks or blockages, and give them a good inspection. Next, clean the inlet filters, which are usually located at the back of the machine where the hoses connect. A buildup of debris like lint or mineral deposits is a common culprit. If that doesn't do the trick, reset your washer by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. This simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. If the FE code persists, you might need to dive a bit deeper. Test the water pressure in your home. Low pressure can cause this error. You can do this by turning on a faucet and seeing if the water flows strongly. Also, inspect the pressure chamber or sensor inside the washer, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a professional technician. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your filters every few months can prevent these errors altogether. By following these steps, you'll likely resolve the issue and save yourself a service call. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.